Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country. I want to show you this travel trailer. It's a Salem. A really good condition. It is a pre-owned unit, but clean. It's got a nice blue paint on it here. Nice little kitchen, perfect for those weekend getaways. Just started the RV lifestyle. This is a perfect RV to start out with. Let's take a look outside. Alright, so we have an awning. Got a dual propane up here up front. Nice slide out here. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. Be more than happy to answer any questions you may have.